Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 198,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, power windows, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.